Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to show for you something that we make all the time. And I think I may have shown it in a video with some other things way back like a year ago, but I never really gave anybody a recipe. So I thought I would maybe just do that tonight for you guys. So we eat a lot of sweet potatoes. And actually it's Carson's favorite side dish. And I've taught him how to make these at college, so that's kind of sweet. And there's a lot of things you can do with them. So how I do my sweet potatoes is I just take regular sweet potatoes, cut the ends off. I want to cut them into very similarly sized pieces, not too thick, so that they, doesn't take forever for them to cook. But the idea is that they're fairly similar in size because then they'll cook more evenly. Just do one more. And I always roast them in some sort of, I call it a casserole dish. You can use some like a 9x13 baking dish, or you could even put them on a cookie sheet if you wanted to. So I've sprayed this sheet with a little bit of this coconut spray. And all I'm gonna do, I don't really need that one, is, so I've sprayed it with spray. I'm gonna add some real butter. So I'm thinking, and again, it kind of depends on how many sweet potatoes you have. I had like 5 pretty good sized sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna use, let's go with probably that much butter. Doesn't need to have a ton because we've already got this spray there, so it's not gonna stick at all. But it's just enough to give it a little bit of fat and just kind of help cook the potatoes. Next thing I do is I use chili powder, and I always use like a medium hot chili powder, although it's not all that hot. And again, I'm not gonna give actual measurements because it just kind of depends on how you like it. You just have to play around with it. The second thing I add is some chipotle pepper. So I like the smell of like smoky peppers, and it makes it a little bit spicy. It doesn't take a lot because it's pretty spicy. And then I add just a little bit of brown sugar. And again, it doesn't take a lot of that either, but all it does is add just a slight amount of sweetness to the sweet potatoes. And you could even do it without if you want, but I know Carson's gonna eat these, so I'm gonna give them to him. And what we're gonna do with these is I made a brisket today, so he's gonna eat them along with our brisket. We have a lot left over, so as we have meals throughout the week, I like baked potato, Nick likes red potatoes, Carson likes sweet potatoes, so I've got like Carson's week's worth of sweet potatoes cooked. The other thing he does with it is he likes scrambled eggs on a bed of sweet potatoes for breakfast, so another way to get in some vegetables. So I'm gonna pop these in a 425-degree oven, and I'm just gonna toss them maybe every 10 minutes or so until they're at the right tenderness that I want. So we'll come back after they're all finished and let you take a look at them, but you should give them a try. They're really good. Kids like them too, so thanks. Okay guys, we're back. So our sweet potatoes are done, and again, you're gonna wanna cook them until they're at the amount of tenderness that you like. Carson likes his almost on the semi-mushy side. I think I probably had them in there about 20-25 minutes, but I'll make sure I put that in the recipe that we send out. So give it a shot. They're super good leftovers. You can also mix them with chorizo and then do it almost like a hash. So do eggs over the top of it. And actually you could throw all that in a taco shell and make a breakfast taco. So a lot of things you can do with roasted sweet potatoes. So give it a try.